thinking about something, and then I was like, okay, I know that when you have like, you know, a rope, you have a rope, and then you have a certain knot where you only have the end and it just holds like crazy. And I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna try this on my hair, and it just worked. And then I wore that all day long, and it was so comfortable. So I'm gonna show you how to do a high bun, a bun, or low buns, whatever you want, for without anything. Like, you don't need anything, no, you know, like things to put in your hair. You don't need hair clips, nothing. And I am absolutely shook by this. Of course, it's not gonna look like the most beautiful, gorgeous, fluffy and everything bun, but if you are stuck, your last elastic that you were saving is just broken, then you're gonna be able to still do this. The only thing is, you need a certain length. You can't have too short of hair. My hair, you can have a little bit shorter than this and you will be able to do it. And I'm pretty tiny, so you can try it. If you have too thick of a hair, if your hair is really thick, you can do 2 buns instead of 1. Anyways, you can try it. I'm telling you guys, it just works. So it's very easy. I'm gonna show you guys the trick on my hair right here. So you have this, and then you would, like, you know, turn it around like this to start your knot. And then you would pass it from the back and then pass it in the hole. So you bring it back into the hole. It's really hard to see. I'm trying to show you. So you pass it back into the hole, just like that. So that's in the hole. Once, if I do this, it's not gonna hold. But the trick is, you pass it a second time in the same hole. So then you go back again. I know I'm trying to show you in a weird angle, and I'm trying to show you it's hard. So you pass another time. So you do this 2-3 times, and then after that, it does that, and it just, you know, it does a knot and it stays there completely. I know it looks kind of crazy right now because it's very thin. So if you have braids, small braids, and you have to like tie them, that's a very good way to do it, and it works. And if you have, like, it works with my hair, it's very straight, but it would definitely work on, you know, curlier hair, and even on curlier hair, it would just get stuck more. And if you're worried about making knots on your hair, you're not gonna make any knots in your hair whatsoever. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I usually put my head down, but I can't at the moment. So we're gonna go down and back up. Okay, so me, I like to have it at the top like this in a high ponytail, just because it's, you know, comfortable for me. And then I would roll it around. We're rolling it like that. It's not gonna be the prettiest because I'm doing this very quickly. And this definitely requires more skill than if you had an elastic. But if you're like desperate for like your hair to be up, whatever you're doing, and I'm telling you guys, I tried this. My hair is very thin and it does like a tower when I try to do a bun. And this does not do the tower. It doesn't do the tower, and it stays on all day super comfortable. And I'm gonna have to repeat it. So like that, I twist it, and then I start to twist it like this, and you do the round thing, right? So now it's round, and then I would pass it under into the hole, just like that. And then look, it's coming out. It's coming out. And then I would go around. Can I show you? So like this, and then I'm gonna pass it under again, just like that. And then you can pass it another time, but I would recommend you to just, like, you know, stretch a bit on it so then it's tight. And then you go under again, as long as like you have still strand coming out. So then I would do it again. Okay, and then like if you want, you know, you place it on the top over here, and then look at this, it just holds. It just holds, girl. It's very tiny. I don't have a lot of hair, okay? So, like, don't laugh. But this, okay, like, if I'm like, no. So, usually, I would do this with my hair down. And the reason why is because, look, it's coming out a little bit. So, you know, like, I would have to do it my hair down. But then you can push this hair back into the bun, you know. I'm going to do it again. And look, it's very easy. I just push it like this to remove it. I just push it. And then it just untangles right away. So it doesn't tangle or anything. So I'm just gonna go do it under, show you guys, and you're gonna see the difference. It's kind of crazy. And voila. So this is like a little bit messy, but like if you're really, really like desperate. Like, it's not gonna be super like the most beautiful thing in the world, but I'm telling you guys, it does work. So that's what it looks like. And it is super duper comfortable. Of course, like I told you guys, it's like around the house, it's like on the go. If you're working, you need to put your hair up, and it's not to look cute. Of course, like, I've been practicing a lot. It's very like technical and everything. So one day I'm probably gonna have the perfect bun and the perfect knot. But placing my hair, it's so thin, so Khaleesi, what are you doing? Slippery. My hair is so slippery that it's hard for it to stay in place. So it does work a lot. Like, it's holding like look, it's still there, it's not moving, it's sliving, it's striving, it's doing its thing. Okay, so this is like, look, you push it back a little bit, you know, it stays there, and it's amazing. I'm telling you guys, if you try it, it's gonna take a little bit of practice for sure. The first time I did it, I think I had to do it a couple times, and because I wasn't able to find my elastic, and I was like, okay, I need my hair up. I have a weird obsession with having my hair up. It's like, it's in the way, my hair when it's down. So when I'm around the house or like cleaning or whatever, so I had to do this. You know, Khaleesi, our cat, just likes to take all of my elastics and to eat them. It just disappears, so that's what I have to do. So anyways, this is my little bun for you guys with no elastic, no hairpins, no clips, no nothing. It doesn't damage the hair. I tried it, and it's so much more healthier for your scalp. It doesn't tangle anywhere. It just holds by itself, and it's super comfortable. Like, I love this hairdo. If you try it, tell me down below what you think about this. Try it now. Tell me if it works, if it's hard or not. It's technical. I have a hard time explaining it, okay? Like, I'm trying, girl. But anyways, if you like it, make sure to like it. And also, if you want to see more videos like these, make sure to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for 5 beautiful videos a week, Monday through Friday, and some shorts and everything, all beauty related and more. So thank you so much again for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, staying subscribed, and again, watching my content all the time. It means the world to me. And I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.